All right, guys. So we got this beautiful Mini. It's a beautiful car, but it's not in a good condition right now because the customer is from Barrie, and they came here on the weekend to meet up some family friends. End up breaking the car on the gas station. Over to a shop we don't want to name, and let me show you where the shop did it. As you can see right here, everything is ripped apart from this side to this side. So they tried to work on the FEM module, which wasn't not the case of this car got dead on the gas station. So they partially tried to light up the system on this one. This thing runs on a canvas system. So FEM is fried from this side, and there's no communication codes on DME, which is pretty famous for the clubmans. If you have a Mini Cooper and you try to go to any mechanic, that's not a good idea. Again, Mini Coopers, BMWs. If these cars are not in the professional hands, they're gonna end up like this. So this got towed up on Saturday. The time we was almost closing. We take a look today as Monday, and this car needs FRM module, plus this car needs FEM. So FRMs are pretty common on BMW and Minis both. And the FEM, I don't know where the hell this thing got toasted out. I don't know what kind of test they run it. So even as a tech, I don't know what they did with this car. As the gentleman who drive this, they described when they was fueling up the car, it didn't start after. And when this thing towed up to my shop, it's open from this side. Even the battery terminals are partially off. Somebody tried to turn on the half system on this car, which doesn't work. So now this customer is waiting for the parts. Mini don't have it. There's a back ordered for 2 weeks on the FEM module. We are going to try to source on my own suppliers. If you guys do have the Mini Coopers, BMWs, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to help you out. But do not put your car under unprofessional hands. On to the next car. All right, so we got this beautiful dead Rover here. It's a TD6 diesel and towed up from other place. As you can see right here, the rust on the brake says everything. That's a huge story sitting from long time. So it's not drivable. I don't know what's wrong with it. Just got towed here. This customer, they said like this car got stopped on highway due to derate. It's a TD6 diesel engine. So let's take a look on what's happening with this car. If you guys have any of the Land Rovers, give us a call. Got another 6 Series here. This is for a battery drainage issue, and that's what we're gonna fix on this one. These are pretty common on the alternator problems. This car's alternator start draining instead of charging. So this is the one we're going to fix it next. So we got the lined up cars like this, as you can see going inside. Anybody wants to drop the car or they want it right away fixed to check up the engine light or diagnostic, absolutely big no. You have to make an appointment to drop the cars. Like these customers, we respect everybody equally. There's no prioritizing work here. Any of the big jobs, give us a call. Also, we are going to rebuild this beautiful X6 here. This is also going inside. After that, there's another X5. So we got pretty much packed up with the BMWs. If you have 3 Series, 5 Series, X Series, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car.
Everybody here to get this Ford Escape. It came for axle sealing and is leaking so much. I'm going to show you. It's right here somewhere, and it's right up there. It's orange kind of. So we're going to replace it with a new one so it can drive smoothly with no problem and issues. And so then when it has no issues, it could be a very good car. Move on to the next car.
Guys, so we are the one carrying all 4 struts from this beautiful 5 Series 528. Yes, America Auto is the only one in London having all 4 struts in stock. Most likely you get just the front ones from any other place. The only way to get all 4 struts in stock is either you have to go to the dealership or you can call us. We have a larger inventory. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car. It's a 2021 Ford F-150 and they want the Ford brakes on it one. And this is the Ford pad, as you can see right here. So we quote a best price in the town. The customer got the code from the dealership too, and they got the code from us too. So we're going to put the Ford brakes with a less price. You will save definitely better than from dealership. If you want any of the services on your F-150s, F-250s, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to help you out. We have a larger inventory for Ford brakes with the coated rotors. Again, as you guys know, we only use ceramic pads with the coated rotors with a 1-year warranty or 25,000 kilometers. We're happy to help you out. Drop your inquiries. So we got the beautiful deals on the summer tires. You can give us a call. We will happy to help you out. We have a bunch of different brands. We have a Chinese tire too, and we have a local made too. And today we're just going to switch from winter to the summer tires. Most of our tire change is going to be done by early morning. So if you want to bring your car for tire changes, try to come by 9 o'clock from Monday to Friday. After that, it's a bit hard because we work on the major jobs like engine or transmission rebuilds. You see this exhaust right here. So this one is almost, the Porsche is ready. The one I told you, Macan GTS 2018. And sooner we're going to fire up the car. Engine is already inside and we'll take a ride and the customer will be ready to pick up the car. So if you have any of the inquiries for the tires, fluids or engine swaps, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. On to the next one. Alright guys, so we got this beautiful 2007 Highlander hybrid. It's here with a water pump leak. So we suggest the customer when we do the water pump, it's mandatory as this truck is close to 300 clicks and the timing belt on this one is almost done on this one. So we give an estimate and we are going to put a new timing belt, water pump, tensioner, idle pulley. It comes in a set from Toyota. If you guys do have any of the Toyotas with a timing belt engine, make sure you're going to inspect your belt every 150 clicks and mandatory change before you hit the 200 clicks. That's what we're going to do on this car. Any of the timing belt engines on Toyota, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Book your appointment. On to the next one. Do you know if you keep on running your car while your pan is leaking from the bottom, what happens? The engine blown just because of a low oil consumption. Just to let you know, we got this beautiful 2019, it's a F-150 here. The bottom pan is leaking. It's a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine. Nobody have it in stock? Do you know who have it? Auto. So we have this in stock and this customer, they drop it off. It's a day job. We're going to do it. If you guys do have the same EcoBoost, either Mustangs or F-150s, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Thank you.